Are you looking for hurricane protection? Get to know the Kenny family's experience during their journey with RollShield. What led you to choose RollShield for your home's hurricane protection?
We wanted to get home protection, and we investigated some other companies. We had salespeople come out and show us the other products that they had, and the product seemed okay, but it really wasn't what we wanted. And then we came upon RollShield, looked it up online, and went to the factory. I think it was the manager, brought us right into the back where the products are manufactured. They showed us how the shutters and the pull down, how they're made, what they're made of. They're not flimsy. They're very strong. The steel. Everything was great, and it was really what we had wanted as a protection for the doors and all the windows for the whole house.
How was your overall experience with the installation of our shutters?
They kept in touch with us about the installation. Then they had a rep come out and measured up all the windows. Everything went very smooth with that. Our experience with the installers was great. They came out when they said they would, and they were here a day and a half. We had 13 windows and doors altogether. They were very professional. They cleaned up after themselves after they were done, and everything went fine. Everything went beautiful.
What were your first thoughts when the shutters were installed?
My first thoughts after the installation was done and we closed up the shutters and the pull-down type shutters also. Me and my wife, we just sat in here and we said, this is what we expected. Nice steel type shutters, just what we were looking for.
How easy was it to deploy the shutters before the hurricanes?
To use the accordion and the roll-down shutters was very, very simple. They slide right across and lock in place. The accordion type each window takes maybe a minute to lock down each individual window. The pull down are extremely simple also. They pull down with ease, and you turn the key and they lock in place. The system was extremely simple for the protection that you get for your house.
How did RollShield protect your home during the storms?
The winds with Hurricane Helene got up to, we were told in our neighborhood, over 100 miles an hour. And the shutters, we didn't even know that the wind was blowing that fast. It protected our windows and doors with such efficiency that we didn't realize the winds were that strong. Hurricane Milton, we left our area, we evacuated, but we pulled down all the shutters and closed the whole house. And when we came back, we opened up the shutters and came in the house, and it basically looked like nothing happened. And we were told with Hurricane Milton, the winds even exceeded more than 100 miles an hour in our area. It was like nothing happened to our house. They performed above our expectations.
What would you say to homeowners considering installing shutters?
I would tell them definitely, you have to look around. I would tell them what we did. We had other manufacturers come here and then we just, we seen the RollShield product, and it was performed exceptionally well. And my neighbors, I've told them around where I live how great everything was, the installation, the whole, from install, to now, everything just went great.
How has your experience with RollShield changed your perspective on home security?
Everything went well with RollShield. We were very happy with the whole experience. Having them here and knowing that they could be used in cases of an emergency like this, it really settled down our nerves for me and my wife about the protection of the house. We thought about going a cheap way once, getting plywood, things like that for the windows, and it just didn't seem like the right product. This, we believe, is our final home, and we wanted protection for our house for as long as we're here. And that's the reason that we went with the RollShield product. It was the best product that we had seen compared to some of the other manufacturers.
Take the next step in securing your home with RollShield. Get a free quote now